Welcome to JH. Have you heard of ClaimsTim.com? It promises to help you snag up to $5,000 in stimulus relief with a quick eligibility check and payment tracking. Sounds like a dream, right? Or more like a fever dream for anyone who actually likes their personal data. Everyone's asking if this platform is legit, so stick around and let's peel back the layers of this digital onion. First off, the website was registered just recently in June. While being the new kid on the block isn't a crime, it's definitely a red flag when you're handling financial claims. They're also leaning heavily on a $2.2 trillion stimulus bill from the COVID era, which is about as relevant today as a MySpace top 10 list. It's suspicious that a brand new site is suddenly swimming in traffic by recycling ancient news to lure people in. Then there's the eligibility check itself, which is basically a fancy way of saying, please click this redirect link. You spend your precious time answering questions only to end up with absolutely nothing to show for it. To make matters worse, the site has zero contact info, no address, no phone number, and no live chat. If something goes sideways, your only option for help is shouting into the void and hoping the void shouts back. Finally, there's a total lack of reviews on sites like Trustpilot. No independent feedback and zero proof that anyone has actually seen a dime from this place makes it a hard pass. So is ClaimsTim.com legit? Between the fresh registration, the misleading claims, and the disappearing act on contact info, it's about as reliable as a screen door on a submarine. My advice is to stay far away and keep your personal info to yourself. Thanks for watching until the end.